Auto disc charge disc installation. Rotate the powder hopper to turn off the flow of powder. Cycle 2 empty cases through the shell plate and cycle to remove the last charges. Return those charges to the hopper. Remove the 2 brass hopper nuts and lift off the hopper and return it to the powder container. Take this opportunity to clear any loose powder debris from the body of the auto disc. Orient the disc so that the proper cavity is next to the drop tube hole. Reinstall the hopper so that there is an unobstructed view of the drop tube hole, and secure the 2 brass thumb nuts. Fill the hopper with the correct type of powder and be certain to rotate the hopper to the on position.